Welcome to our channel, where we talk about all things free courses and productivity. In this video, we're going to be sharing some of the best study tips that actually work. Whether you're in high school, college, or just someone who loves learning, these tips are sure to help you improve your studying habits and achieve better results. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Number 1. Create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule can help you stay organized and manage your time effectively. Divide your study sessions into smaller chunks and allocate specific times for each subject. This will help you avoid cramming and reduce stress. Remember to take breaks in between sessions to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Number 2. Find a study environment that works for you. Some people prefer studying in silence, while others need some background noise. Some like to study alone, while others prefer studying in groups. Figure out what works best for you, and find a study environment that suits your needs. This could be your room, a library, a coffee shop, or any other place where you feel comfortable and focused. Number 3. Use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques such as summarizing, explaining, and teaching can help you retain information better than passive learning methods. Instead of simply reading through your notes, try to engage with the material by summarizing it in your own words, explaining it to someone else, or teaching it to a friend. This will help you understand the concepts more deeply and remember them for longer. Number 4. Take care of your physical and mental health. Studying can be stressful, and it's important to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. Take breaks when you need them, and don't hesitate to seek help if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Remember, your health comes first. Number 5. Stay motivated and accountable. Staying motivated and accountable can be a challenge, especially when you're studying on your own. Set realistic goals for yourself, and reward yourself when you achieve them. Use a planner or a study app to keep track of your progress, and join a study group or find a study buddy to keep yourself accountable. Remember, you're not alone in this. So there you have it, our top study tips that actually work. Remember, everyone learns differently, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Stay organized, engaged, and motivated, and you'll be on your way to academic success in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.